Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can drill down into your data when you have a pivot table. So one of the great things about pivot tables is one, you have a lot of flexibility in how you can view large sets of data. But one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that you can use pivot tables to drill down pretty deeply in the data that you have. So here we have just a basic pivot table where we have the colors of different items and the regions. And I just started looking at this and we think to ourselves, wow, only 697 silver units sold in the East when, the East sold so much more of the other ones. And you want to dig in a bit deeper to find out what why that might be causing that. So all you have to do is just double click on the cell and another table will open up with the data. So as you can see, um, the data that we have available to us is the dates and then the color and then the region and the most units, where you can see kind of when they sold. And you can even get another one, for example, silver for the north instead of the east. And here you have the data as well too. So that's it. I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. I just think it's really cool how you can, first I think it's really cool how you can use, all I have to do is just double click to get more details on your data. Like, subscribe, comment if you found this to be useful. Have a great day.